We appreciate everybody coming out today. It's great to see so many familiar faces and some people I don't know. I look forward to meeting you. We love Odoo, but what we really love doing is solving people's problems. We're not bringing egos, we're not bringing agendas. We're here to share what we're working on. We're going to share our expertise, but our hope is that you're also sharing things that you've learned about Odoo.
The support from QOC has been great. We squeezed 2 ERPs into 1 year basically, and it was a tremendous amount of work, and QOC was phenomenal.
We looked at Microsoft Business Essentials, NetSuite, and Acumatica. Why did Odoo win? Super simple development. It was an obvious move for us to go with Odoo.
I love making sure that processes are flowing and that we're really taking into consideration the actual end user.
We want to understand your processes, and do you need to change to fit Odoo, or do we need to change Odoo to fit you? Take the opportunity to rely on some of our manufacturing experts and really walk through that process, and your transition will be much smoother and you'll have a much better product at the end of the day.
We are all learning. We think we have a good software, but in the same time we are very modest about where we are. We are always here to learn about the customers, what did they do, how can we improve the software for the next version, and how can we insert the feedback into the roadmap of the product.
I love troubleshooting and coming up with a crazy customization. The developers tend to think I'm crazy, but most of the time it works.
5.5 years ago, Travis, Carrie, and I sat around our table. We said, how can we help manufacturers? How can we help them with their technology and processes? At that time, we didn't know much about Odoo. We didn't have anybody we could ask a question about Odoo. We couldn't go to a conference and learn about it. It was a lot of long nights, a lot of hard work. And today, this is the result of it.
I would encourage everybody later today to go over to that side of the building and look at a node. A node makes the shop floor easier to run, not harder to use. We're going to assign it to a work center. We're going to perform labor reporting without friction and inventory transactions in real time.
We expect, and what we're seeing is Odoo is going to continue to invest heavily in AI. The next version is going to be more AI, the next version is going to be more AI. But actually implementing is going to be different. How do you actually get value for your organization out of AI? That's what our job is going to be. But what you're going to see from QOC is we're investing in people coming up to speed with how are we going to help our customers implement AI in the right way for them. We're going to help guide you through that process. 5.5 years, and we've grown from 0 to 80 people. We're the largest US-based partner of Odoo. We're the fastest growing partner of Odoo here in Columbus, Wisconsin. We have amazing staff. We have amazing developers, amazing business consultants. Like, I look around, and that's my proudest moment, is the kind of people that come here and work. It's about our team working together. It's about us solving your problems and building good relationships.
That's something that I hope we're getting out of this event today. Just the chance to learn together, to ask questions.
And us collaborating as a team to help each other. Thank you for being great customers. Thank you for coming here and exploring and spending some time with our team. This has meant a lot to us. Thanks for your time today.